Hi, I'm John Mayfield, the Real Estate Tech Guy, with another Global Real Estate School podcast. This is John Mayfield, the Real Estate Tech Guy. Thank you for joining the podcast. This is episode 075. Well, on today's podcast, I want to talk about a latent defect. Do you know what a latent defect is? Well, recently I saw a question that asked what a latent defect is, and I wanted to know if it was a observable defect, something you could observe, or a non-observable defect. And a latent defect, according to John Riley's The Language of Real Estate, is a defect that is actually known to the seller but not known to the purchaser. It could even possibly be known to the real estate broker, but it's normally something that could be in faulty construction. It could be a water heater that doesn't work, perhaps a sewer line that's clogged up. But again, the key here is that a latent defect is known by the seller, but it's not known by the buyer. And actually, according to John Riley's book, again, The Language of Real Estate, it could be grounds for rescinding the sales contract. So, latent defect, you need to know what that is. Make sure you have a good reference of a latent defect. It's a hidden structural defect, presumably resulting from faulty construction. And again, it's normally known by the seller, sometimes even the real estate broker, but not known by the purchaser. And as a real estate professional, if you know anything that would be in regards or fall under that latent defect or a material defect to the property, you need to disclose that and make it known to the other party. So might make a good mental note of a latent defect. You never know, you could see that on the real estate examination. Well, don't forget, we have a lot of flashcards you can download at our website, Global Real Estate School, and I kind of think there is a flashcard on latent defect. You need to know the definitions, and you can purchase those flashcards at globalrealestateschool.com. We also have some great practice exams. They are national specific, so it doesn't matter what state you are in. You can purchase our practice exams and help prepare for the national portion of the test for your state. So check out globalrealestateschool.com. Give us a 5-star review and some kind comments. We always appreciate that. As always, thanks for listening to this podcast. Thank you for listening to the podcast for Global Real Estate School. I'm John Mayfield, the Real Estate Tech Guy. Go out and make it a great day.